a new day. Well, it's actually the same day. Anyway, a new idea. So what happens if we did a question and we had two sides and two angles, not like three sides, it doesn't have three sides. So we have our new friend, the sine rule. It can be confusing at first, but let me make it a little bit easier. I hide this and we can see, oh, it's got two sides in the formula and two angles and two sides. And I can have it upside down. I can have it upside down. Well, this time I'm just going to use the B and the C. Okay, so the key issue is when do I use this? Sine rule, not sine ratio, not opposite over hypotenuse. There is no hypotenuse on this picture. Okay, so this is for general triangles. So it's got our new system. We use it when we have two angles. You know, if you have two angles of a triangle, you actually have three angles. But anyway, two angles and two sides that we're working with. Okay, so let's have a look at a question. Here is the example from the book. So I'll draw this out. A, B, C. We have an angle here, we have an angle here, and we have 5.6. The question says BC equals question mark. Well, I'm going to put an X here. Okay, to finish off my labeling system, little a, little b, little c. This problem is not going to use c at all. So I want an unknown as a side. So here is the formula that I'm going to use. It connects side A and angle A to side B and angle B. So in essence, I'm only using that part of the formula. Okay, now they have something about three significant figures in this picture. Let's cruise along. So the one we don't know, over the what we do know, 5.6 over here, sin 29. Now we have a little system over here. Hopefully most people would know if I had x on 2 equals 6, I'd get rid of the 2 by multiplying. Now, if I just scrub that out, if I have x on sin 47 equals 6, I do that, get rid of that by multiplying both sides. So, pretty well for the sin questions. That's what we're going to be looking to. One step. Here's my x part. Sin 47, see there's 5.6, times by sin 47. Okay, multiply, not x, multiply. Divide by sin 29. So actually in the calculator, I'm going to type equals bracket 5.6 times sin 47 bracket divide by sin 29. All right, I don't want this to get involved inside the sin section. Being very precise as we type it into the calculator to avoid random errors. 29. Okay, get 8.4. 8.4478. Now, way earlier in the course, we looked at significant figures. This question said 3 significant figures. There's my first, there's my second, then my third. Are we going to round up or down on the 7? We're going to round up. Okay. Units in this question were centimetres. So, to summarise, these first group of questions are all going to be finding sides. So we're going to be hammering away in this section. And we basically... Oh, see, this has got 2 equals. We only want to use whichever we're working with on our picture. Our picture might have these 2 that we're using there, in which case we'll use that part. Or our picture might have those 2, getting a bit silly now, and we're going to leave out the B. Okay, let's proceed. We need to get into it before, before the glaciers arrive.